It is.
Take it slow,
Oh yeah, that's the car they write on.
No, the first car probably ever invented was probably like the first car ever invented.
Inventions in the Great Oak Island area. You know, it's amazing that we do see the volunteers and staff at CBD do a great job.
Beauty.
I didn't know. I mean, not to promote anything that they did. It was more of a concern. It was like I ordered you, and I was like,
Pick that scene. The wheels are that wide.
Yeah.
Compared to the other one. Yeah, Papa, I couldn't.
we're not gonna. We're going to see what
And the 56 Ford all did the same thing. Once they get warmed up going down the road, they get the backfire and start piston.
You know that guy who's actually bought it. Some guy bought all his cars.
I thought this was black at first. It's red.
What's worse is
Well, they do for that size car and technology. But he was racing cars out of the classic newer cars and stuff like that.
Tires are
The sign is floors.
little late.
They got that back then?
Yeah, I think it was like a 7-year-old.